development. First of all, I want to tell you what is team project proposal development. You have this wonderful idea for a project. The more you research it, the more you think it's something worth the funding and the resources. In this guide, we shall talk about what a project proposal is, why you need me, and how to write a proposal the bosses will notice. And I also want to tell you what is the project proposal. A project proposal is a document that outlines everything stakeholders need to know to initiate a project. It is a necessary first step towards getting a project off the ground. Respected sir, there are few elements we should also follow in these elements. The first element is executive summary, short and to the point. The executive summary is essentially the project's elevator pitch. The second step is background or history. This section outlines both successful and unsuccessful previous projects, including how the later could have been handled better. Third step is requirements. This section briefly summarizes what's needed throughout the project lifecycle in terms of resources, tools, and materials. Fourth step is solution. The solution section explains how you intend to approach the project and bring it to the completion. Fifth step is authorization. This section states explicitly who the project's decision makers are, the stakeholders authorized by the client to make approval sign off decision. Sixth step is appendix. Any information not included in the actual proposal should be in the appendix. Respected sir, there are few things to consider before writing a proposal for a project. The first is your audience. Identify who the decision makers are, determine the relationship between them. The second is potential pitfalls. What is potential pitfalls? Why project proposals get rejected? Poorly defined proposal. Number three, proposal not aligned with organization goals. Project benefits not clearly and credibly defined. The third step is data and research. You need facts, figures, graph, and charts to substantiate your proposal and justify the project's existence. Respected sir, there are 7 steps to writing your own project proposal. Step 1 is define the problem. Step 2, present your solution. Step 3, define your deliverables and success criteria. Step 4, state your plan or approach. Step 5, outline your project schedule and budget. Step 6, tie it all together. Step 7, edit your proposal. Respected sir, I also want to discuss about these 7 steps. First step is define the problem. What's the problem your project is trying to address? What is at the problem? Why is it worth solving? Make your audience see the problem the way you see it. Tips for defining the problem. Sir, start strong. Second step is use facts, not opinion. Sir, step 2, present your solution. How will your project solve the problem? Why is your solution the better option over other similar solution? Discuss why other solutions would not work for the situation. Sir, tips for presenting your solution. First tip is anticipate questions and objections. Second tip is present the solution's larger impact. Third step is again facts over opinion. Third step 3, define your deliverables and success criteria. This section provides a picture of the functions and attributes of the deliverable, plus how to know if the project is successful. Tips for defining deliverables include a delivery date. Your solution must be smart. सर ये 5 अल्फाज हैं, बड़े वर्ड्स हैं. स्मार्ट. स्मार्ट मीन स्पेसिफिक, मेजरेबल, actionable, relevant, and timely, sir. Sir, step 4, state your plan or approach. This is the most critical section of the proposal and discuss how to achieve the project's objective. Tips for planning, sir. Introduce project strategies, explain how problem will be addressed. Step 5, sir, outline your schedule and budget. This is the section where you break your project costs and detail how you will meet deadlines. Tips for defining a schedule and budget. Provide as much detail as possible. Be concrete, do not guess. Sir, step 6 is tie it all together and your proposal with a conclusion that briefly summarizes the problem, solutions, and benefits. Last step is, sir, edit, proofread your proposal, rewrite your proposal as necessary to make it interesting, helpful, and clear. Ask for feedback and ensure the problem is organized and usually appealing, sir. Sir, after these 7 steps, one step is also must required. This step is, should you use project management software for your project proposal. A project proposal is itself a project and therefore can benefit from project management software. Software is an essential piece of modern project management basics with benefits and include, sir, easier collaboration, centralized workroom, communication in one place, and last step is 24/7 access. Sir, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, ji. Any question, ji?
No, sir. Very good, Ilyas साहब.
Sir, thank you very much, sir. सर टूटे फूटे अल्फाज कबूल फरमा लेना सर.
ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਸੁਣ ਕੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਸੀਨੇ ਆਉਣ ਲੱਗ ਪਏ ਨੇ.